Hey y'all, it's your girl LaRobin Lachey, and we're back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss ex-strippers
In today's video, we're going to be talking about the trade that I took. This morning, I took a setup on gold and everything worked out perfectly. Gold got to my levels, I entered the trade, I had my proper risk management, and it didn't take long for gold to hit my take profit. And on that trade, I ended up taking a 1 to 3 position on that trade, so I won 3 times the amount that I risked. So that has definitely been a good trade, and today has been a awesome day so far. And what I like most is the sun is out today. The weather is 70 degrees here. Today is going to be a good day. I want to touch on something that a lot of traders miss when they're trading. I feel like you should come to the charts prepared. The night before, I always mark my charts. The way that I trade, I mark my charts a night before. That gives me an outline of where I think that the market could possibly go. Excuse me. I just got finished eating lunch and I just had to burp. But yeah, so marking my charts up at night, that helps me have a perspective on where I think that the market will actually go to. And I have my areas marked just in case gold wanted to sell. I was ready for a sale. And I also had my buys marked up as well, just in case gold decided to buy, continues to buy from yesterday. And y'all, gold did exactly what I wanted it to do. It broke my levels and I got in for an entry, and my take profit, it didn't take long to hit. Like, I probably stayed in that trade for about 20 minutes, but I'll definitely let you guys see the setup. You'll be seeing that more into the video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll go over how I got in the trade and where I entered it and what was my confluences on staying in that trade. So you guys will see the entire walkthrough of why I got in the trade, where I placed my stop loss, where I got in, where I placed my take profit area, all of that. I'll be going over the entire chart on why I took gold today. But it was definitely a great setup. Like, it was almost textbook. Like, that was a textbook setup. And being that it's NFP week, like, I got in and got out and I was done trading for the day. That is the awesome thing about trading. You can literally make what other people are making working 8 to 10 hours a day. You can make that in one trade. And for me, I stay on the charts for at the most about 4 hours. 4 hours, okay? But today, it only took me about 20-25 minutes to hit my trade. So imagine making what you would make in a day at a job. You're making it in 20 minutes. And they wonder why people really don't want to work. Like, I don't want to work all my life, working hard for money. That is my goal, like, to trade. I want to be able to control my own life. I want to be able to travel. I want to do all these type of things. And that's why I became a full-time trader. Like, it really inspired me to just have another perspective. I don't want to spend all my time working. You work all your life, and then you retire when you get old. And for me, I feel like I'm already old. I'm 30 years old. Oh Lord, I'm past 30 now. Like, I'm 37. I was just 30 yesterday. I felt like I just turned 30, you know what I mean? I always been the type that I don't want to spend all my time working. Like, being a full-time day trader has its pros and cons. However, for the most part, I'm doing exactly what I want to do. Right now, I am at like a standstill because I was in a car accident and my car got totaled, but all that stuff can be replaced, and I'll be back doing the things that I love. But as a full-time day trader, I'm able to get up when I want to. I'm able to just control my entire day. Like, I really just be chilling. I really be chilling. This spring and summertime, like, I'm gonna be outside. I'm normally in the house fall and winter because I just don't do cold weather. I'm anemic. I'm a homebody at heart, but I love summer weather. Like, the sun is out, then I'm out. You know what I mean? I'm just that type of girl. I was actually born on the first day of summer, so that's probably why I like warm weather so much. But I have so much in store to show you guys. I'm just excited about what's coming. So y'all have a lot to stay tuned to throughout the course of this channel. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions. Like, I'm here to help. And I'm just ready to show you guys of what I can honestly and truly do as a trader. I want to take y'all along my journey with me and just show y'all the progress of my life. And that is why I created this YouTube, so I can be able to show the journey of my life, not only to y'all, but to my kids as well. I have 2 kids, and eventually I would love for them to get into trading and to see what this life brings. But I feel like I have to show them, you know what I'm saying? I have to show them what trading could actually do for them if they did decide to trade, because I'm not the type to just push them into trading if they don't want to do it. But eventually I would love for them to learn how to trade, because you can definitely control your life with trading. You can work on your own terms. You can make money whenever you want to make money, but you also have to learn the skill set to do so. And this channel is for them. One day I want them to look back and see that I started from here, and I want them to see how I excelled throughout my years of trading. And I got to where I got because of the hard work that I put in with trading, and I didn't have to work all my life to do so. They always have seen me as an entrepreneur. I've always hustled. I've always ran my own business, even if it didn't succeed 100%. But I've always been that hustler type, and I think that has always been with me, because honestly, I just think that it runs in my family. My mother was a hustler. Like, she always hustled and been like, she always had that entrepreneur mindset of making your own money and working on your own terms. Because a lot of these jobs, like, it's like modern day slavery. Who want to work all day? Like, you go to work in the morning and you get off late at night, and you don't really have time to do anything. You know, you don't have time to enjoy your day, your life. I just can't take a trip just because I want to. Like, you'll have to actually put in for leave, you know what I mean? And, you know, to each his own. To each his own on that. You know, I don't want to get into all of that, because I know everybody have their own perspective on jobs, but this is my perspective, and this is what I want to do with my life. And just to add to that, I always worked. Like, been working since I was 18. Like, I was in the military 12 years. And after the military, I did civilian contracting overseas in Afghanistan. That's where I learned how to trade. Like, I've always had a job, and I'm just now at that point in my life where I feel like I want more time. So that's how I got into trading. I actually wasn't going to upload a video today because I was like, I don't really have anything to talk about. So now all of a sudden, I am in the mood to record. So with that being said, sometimes you just have to keep yourself. Okay, somebody was calling me, but I'm back. But like I was saying, you don't always have to be on a set schedule. Sometimes you just have to give yourself time. You don't have to do everything the same time of the day. For those that can stick to a schedule, oh my God, like, how do you do it? All right, y'all, it's time for me to get my niece off the bus. I know y'all hear that bus coming in the background. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her off this bus, and we're gonna pick things back up. How was school today?
Good.
We're going to go ahead and look at the charts today. And it is Tuesday, February the 4th. And we had news at 10 a.m. and we had a red folder. So we had major news at 10 o'clock. I marked my charts the night before. And I got to the market around 7 o'clock. And I ended up catching a trade around 7:10. Before I got into the setup, I had already seen that liquidity had already been grabbed during London session and price started to go bullish. So all I had to do was wait for an entry because price had already retraced. And at 7:10, that's when I entered the market and price just shot up. I went for a 1 to 3 and I placed my stop loss below the zone and my TP targeted the next liquidity area. The trade played out and price continued to go bullish throughout the day, throughout New York session. So it was a good day. I was out the market, but I still checked the charts out and price just went crazy. If you enjoyed the content today, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check the description. I have a free community where we all trade, we all share our insights. Make sure you join my free community. And don't forget to check out my 2 ebooks in the description. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. As always, stay tuned for more.